Okay, good morning everybody. Welcome to Mr. Farhad's classes. So today we're going to deal with lesson 4, module 4. Okay, so our objectives for today: 1. Ability to use the proper strategy to complete a gap text. B. Ability to listen and identify setting. C. Ability to use information presented in a table to solve a problem. And D. Ability to write a report. Okay. All right. So now what we have here. So what can you see, Mona?
Coins and the notes.
Coins and notes. Okay. Now that is the English currency. Now, a currency consists of coins and
Notes.
notes. That's right. Okay. So number 1. So what is it?
1p.
1p coin or note?
Coin. 1p coin.
Good. So that's a 1p or
Coin.
1 penny coin. Okay. Number 2.
2p coin.
2p. It's a 2p coin or a 2 pence coin. Good. Okay. So 3.
5p coin.
Okay. 4.
10p coin.
So let's say it's a 10p coin. 5.
It's a 20p coin.
Good. 6.
It's a 50p coin.
7.
It's a 1 pound coin.
Very good. 8.
It's a 2 pound coin.
Good. Yeah. 9.
It's a 5 note coin.
It's a 5.
Note. It's a 5 pound note.
Good. Good. Yeah. That's it. It's a 5 pound note. Good.
No.
Yeah. The following, number 10.
It's a 10 pound note.
Yeah. It's a 10 pound note. Yeah. 11.
It's a 20 pound note.
Good. Yeah. 12. The last one.
It's a 50 pound coin. It's a 50 pound note.
That's good. That's good. Very good. Thanks. Okay. Now, so now you're going to answer a number of questions. Okay. So have you got a 10 pence coin?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Where did you get it, Mona?
I get it from London.
Ah, okay. So you have been to London once, yeah. Okay. And you still keep some coins. So what kind of coins do you keep?
I keep it some coins.
Okay. Yeah. What coins do you keep? All the coins?
No, I don't think. I think 10 pence.
You've got a 10 pence coin?
10 pence coin.
That's great. Good. Do you have notes? Do you keep notes?
No, I don't.
Okay. Okay. So, okay. Now, do you have 1 dinar coin?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Now we're talking about the Tunisian currency. Good. Okay. So the Tunisian currency consists of, yes, coins and notes as well. Okay. Every currency consists of coins and notes. Okay. So do you have a 10 dinar note? Do you have a 10 dinar note?
Yes, I have.
Good. Okay. Do you have? Actually, we answer yes. Yes, I do. Okay. So
Yes, I do.
yes, I do. Do you have? Have you got a 10 dinar note?
Yes, I have.
Very good. Yes. Have you got? Yes, I have. Do you have? No, I. Yes,
Don't.
I
Don't.
do. No, I don't. Good. That's good. Okay. Now, I'd like you to look at the picture. Okay. What can you see in the picture?
Some people and a ticket machine.
Very good. Okay. So, where are the people? Where are the people?
The people are queuing up in front of a ticket machine.
Very good. Yes, the people are queuing up in front of a ticket machine. Okay, good. They are queuing up. Okay. Can you repeat, Mona? Can you repeat? Queue.
Queuing up.
Queuing up. Yes, the verb is to queue
Queue up.
up. Very good. Okay. They are waiting to be served. You shouldn't jump the queue. Okay. So what are they doing? They are waiting.
Waiting.
Okay. They are waiting for what? They are waiting to be served.
Served.
They are waiting to get what?
To get a ticket.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. They are waiting to get tickets. Okay. Good. Now, I'd like you to take your worksheet, okay? And we're going to do activity number 1. So, first of all, let's look at the words and phrases in the box. So, you're going to fill in the spaces, okay, with the words and phrases in the box. Okay, number 1, what is it?
Cash a check.
Cash a
Check.
check.
A check.
Cash a check. Can you repeat? Cash a check.
Cash a check.
Repeat.
Cash a check.
Good. 2.
Currency.
Currency. Currency. Yeah. So the pound is a currency. The dinar is a currency. Good. Bank. 3. Bank. Employee. Okay. Bank employee. Bank employee. Employee. Good. So, what is an employee? Bank employee.
Who works at someone.
At a
bank.
Good. Yes, a bank employee is a person, is someone who works at a bank. Okay. Yeah. The following, that's 5
dinar coin.
Yeah.
Q.
Good. The following, what is it? 10 dinar note.
10.
Okay. Then
Ticket agent.
Agent. Ticket agent. Okay. The last word? Jumped. Okay. So look at picture number 1. Can you complete the first sentence?
Uncle Hedy works at the train station. He is a ticket agent.
Okay, good. Yes, he's a ticket agent. 2.
You have got a 10 dinar note.
Okay, have you got?
Have you got a 10 dinar note?
Yeah, have you got a 10 dinar note? There is a question mark missing, okay, at the end of the question. All right. So can you, can you complete it, please? So I've got a
5 dinar coin.
Good. A 5 dinar
coin.
Coin. Can you repeat? Coin. Good. 4.
Dad went to the bank to cash a check.
To cash a check.
Check.
Not cheek, check.
Check.
Cash a check.
Cash a check.
Cash a check.
Cash a check.
Good. Number 5.
While we were waiting, Mr. Smith jumped the queue.
Yeah, that's excellent. Jumped the queue. Good. While we were waiting, Mr. Smith jumped the queue. Okay, is it polite to jump a queue?
No.
No, so it's impolite to jump a queue. You mustn't jump a queue. Okay, number 6.
The pound is the currency of Great Britain.
Yeah, good. Currency, that's right. Number 7.
Mom works at a bank. She is a bank employee.
She's a bank employee. Employee.
Employee.
Employee.
Employee.
Very good. Yeah. Okay, Mona. Now you're going to complete, then listen and check. You've got a dialogue. You're going to listen carefully. Okay? So, yeah. To identify the missing words, and then you're going to listen and check. Okay. So, have a look at the dialogue here. Where do you think Mr. Brown is?
I think he is in the bank.
Okay, yes, I think so. If you look at the picture here, yes, it seems that he's right. Yes, in the bank. Okay. Okay, now you're going to listen and then fill in the gaps.
Okay.
Module 4, Lesson 4, Tape Script 1.
Hello, Mr. Brown. What can I do for you?
I'd like to cash a check, please.
Okay. Let me see. £1,000. Small or big notes?
£10 notes will do.
Okay. Just 1 minute. Here you are, Mr. Brown.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Brown. Next.
Okay, so now I'd like you to look at the correction and try to check. Okay, so now that's the correction. Now the first one, is it the same? What is it?
Yes, it's correct.
It's I'd-like. That's correct. The second one, the second
Correct
word,
too.
that's correct. Yeah. Okay. Right. The third word.
Correct too.
Yeah, that's big, small or big notes. Right. The fourth one. £10 notes will do. Is that correct?
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
Here you are. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Thank you. Is that
Correct.
okay? Yeah. And then the last one is next.
Yes, correct.
Yes, that's excellent. Thanks a lot. Okay. Now, so actually we're going to enact the conversation together. Okay.
Okay.
So you're going to be the bank employee, and I'm going to be Mr. Brown.
Brown.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. So your homework for next period or next session is activity book. Right. Activity 3, A and B. So please do your homework. Okay, that's the end of session 1. Thanks a lot.